All right, everybody, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to mirror your designs that you have on your computer onto your mobile device. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is download and install the Figma app on your mobile device. Okay, so you can do this on Android or iOS, tablet, mobile device, doesn't matter. Just make sure that when you go to log in, you use the exact same account that you use to log in on your computer. All right. So if you've used other mirroring applications in the past from like Adobe or Sketch or InVision, it's going to be very different in that those rely on the devices being connected to the same Wi-Fi network, whereas Figma is actually just going to do it all cloud-based. So it's going to rely on which accounts you're signed into on both devices. Okay. When you start up Figma Mirror, you should get this basic screen here. It starts with like a recents tab. You've got a search, you've got activity, and then you've got mirror. We're going to go ahead and hit mirror, and you'll see it kind of takes you to a screen like this. All right. I should show you on my monitor what I've got going on here is I've got two screens. One has a button that says print. The other has a button that says add to cart. The text on the buttons isn't important for this, but what is important is that these buttons basically go between each one of these screens. Okay, so if I tap on this one, it's going to take me to this screen. If I tap on this one, it's going to take me to this screen. Okay, so what we're going to do is first thing you want to do is you want to notice that right above the main button here that says start mirroring, there's actually a title of a frame, and that is the frame that you've got currently selected in Figma. Okay, so over here, if I select this first iPhone Mini 1, it should say iPhone Mini 1 on here. If I select this other frame on my screen, I should see it change on here, which it does. Okay, and then if I hit begin mirroring, whoops, I gotta do it backwards here. It's gonna load and it's gonna bring me into this prototype experience. All right, and if I go ahead and tap on that, we can see that the button changes just like it should. So you're not only mirroring the screen that you currently have selected in Figma, but all prototype settings as well. Okay, full prototype settings. The last thing you're going to want to know is how to get out of this, because you tap on it, there's really no like way to get back to your home screen or your menu. So you're actually just going to use two fingers, tap and hold, okay? And you'll get a menu that pops up. You can hit exit mirror, restart the prototype if you're like in too deep and you mess it up or whatever, or you can hit done and the menu will go away. But we hit exit mirror and we're back to this screen. Okay, we can go back to our recents where you've got all of the recent prototypes you've created, the files you've got. You can check those out, make comments on them. It's a really, really robust little app, and I hope that y'all utilize it to its fullest. Didn't used to have something as seamless and easy to use as this. It used to be a matter of going on site with the client, connecting to their Wi-Fi network, connecting your phone to their Wi-Fi network, ensuring that your prototype's loaded ahead of time because it's got to swap all that information across Wi-Fi networks. And like now it's just seamlessly connected in the cloud. So yeah, hope you all appreciate that. Didn't used to be that easy, but that's how you mirror your apps in Figma Mirror. Any other questions, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, hopefully it's pretty self-explanatory once you get the app installed and signed in with the correct accounts on each device. All right.